Hi, good evening. My name is Farisha and my matrix number is 30DLS22F1044. So, today I'm going to present to you guys about the interview of procurement in logistics and supply chain management. They have 8 questions and I will present to you guys one by one. Question number 1 is interpret the ethical behavior in procurement process. Ethical behavior in procurement means making fair, honest and transparent decisions when buying goods or services. It involves treating all suppliers equally, avoiding favoritism and corruptions, and ensuring the process is open and accountable. Ethical procurement also focuses on getting goods value of money, considering quality and sustainability, and respecting the interests of all stakeholders. By following ethical practices, organizations build trust, promote fairness, and reduce risk of fraud and misconduct. Question number 2. Identify social responsible and business goals in procurement. Social responsible goals in procurement focus on choosing suppliers that promote sustainability, fair labor practices, and diversity. Business goals, on the other hand, aim to secure cost-effective, high-quality goods and services while managing risk and encourage innovations. By balancing both, organizations can operate ethically, support their communities, and still achieve efficiency, quality, and growth in their business. Next, question number 3 is recognize ethics in procurement process. Ethics in procurement process involve ensuring fairness, honesty, and integrity throughout the buying process. These include treating all suppliers equally, avoiding conflicts of interest, and being transparent about how decisions are made. Ethical procurement also means following laws and regulations, preventing corruptions and bribery, and selecting suppliers who meet high standards for quality, safety, and sustainability. Ultimately, ethical behaviors build trust, ensures accountability, and helps organizations make responsible, fair, and effective purchasing decisions. Question number 4 is describe public relations in procurement process. Public relations in the procurement process refer to managing communications and relationship between an organization and its stakeholder, such as supplier, customer, government agency, and the public. It involves promoting transparency, fairness, and ethical behavior in procurement, while also handling any potential issue that may arise. Effective public relations in procurement help build trust, ensure a positive reputation, and fosters good relations with supplier and community. This can include provide clear information about procurement decision, addressing complaints and inquiries, and demonstrating the organization's commitment to social responsibility, sustainability, and fairness. Good public relations can ultimately strengthen the procurement process by enhancing credibility and ensuring stakeholder confidence. Question number 5 is describe green procurement in the organizations. Green procurement, also known as sustainable procurement, refer to the practice of purchasing goods, services, or works that have lower environmental impact throughout their life cycle. In an organization, this means selecting products and services that are energy efficient, made from renewable or recyclable materials, and product with environmental friendly process. It also involves choosing suppliers who prioritize sustainability, reduce waste, and adopt eco-friendly practices. Green procurements aim to reduce the organization's carbon footprint, support sustainability goals, and promote environmental stewardship. Question number 6 is identify the benefits of green procurements. Green procurements offer several key benefits to organizations. For example, number 1, environmental impact reductions. It helps reduce pollution, waste and resource consumptions by promoting sustainable practice, leading to a lower carbon footprint and a positive contributions to environmental protections. Number 2 is cost saving. Although green products may have higher upfront costs, they often result in long-term saving throughout energy efficiency, waste reductions, and lower operation costs. Number 3 is compliance with regulations. By adopting green procurement practices, ensuring organizations comply with increasingly stringent environmental laws and regulations, helping to avoid penalties and legal issues. Question number 7 is explain green procurement practices in the company operations. Green procurement practices in company operation involve integrating sustainability into the decision-making process when purchasing goods and services. This means that beyond the cost and quality, the environmental impact of product and service also considered. Key green procurement practices include 1. Selecting eco-friendly product. 2. Evaluating suppliers and sustainability. 3. Life cycle assessment. And the last question is report current issues and future issues relating to procurement. The current issue in procurement is number 1, supply chain disruptions. For example, during global events such as the COVID-19 pandemic, companies are struggling to maintain inventory levels and meet demand. Number 2 is raising costs. Inflations and raising commodity prices, particularly in energy and raw materials, have led to increased procurement costs. Number 3 is sustainability demands. There are growing pressure from customers, governments, and stakeholders for business to adoption sustainable procurement practice. Companies are challenged to balance cost effectiveness with environmental responsibility, especially when sustainable options can be more expensive or harder to source. And the future issue in procurement is number 1, supply chains transparency and traceability. Future procurement system will require more advanced technologies like blockchain and to improve transparency and traceability in supply chains. Number 2 is artificial intelligence and automations. The future of procurement will see increasing through AI and machine learning. Number 3 is globalizations and localizations. As global trade becomes more complex, organizations will have to balance global sourcing strategy with the growing trend toward procurement to mitigate risk and reduce carbon footprints. Thank you.